Hello everyone, myself Rahmat Nisha. I am working as an application specialist from Heidelco Medicore Private Limited. Heidelco Medicore Private Limited was established in the year of 2013 and we are the leading manufacturer of all the range of critical care products and anesthesia workstations, and we have a very strong installation base all across the India. So today I am going to introduce our 2-gas anesthesia workstation. So to switch on the unit, just turn the knob from left to right position. So as you can see, it is a 10.1-inch color touch display, and we have a rotometer for nitrous and oxygen, and this is the pressure gauges for central line pressure, and we have pressure gauge for cylinder O2 and nitrous, and it has a provision for 2 selector type vaporizers which can be including sevoflurane, isoflurane, desflurane and enflurane. So this is the heated breathing system which is integrated with inspiratory and expiratory, and we have a pressure gauge, and this is the switchover knob from mechanical ventilation to manual mode and vice versa. This is the APL valve, and this is the manual bag, and we have a soda lime canister right over here. So just to unlock this, you pull like this. So coming to this lower part, we have a handle to move the workstations. Here we have a ACGO connection which is an open circuit, and this is the knob for ACGO to close the circuit. You have to just tilt right to left, and this is the O2 flush button to flush the bellows, and we have 2 drawers which can be pulled out like this, and you can store your stuffs here. And in the front part we have 2 wheels which has a locking mechanism. So to start the ventilation, we have a various modes called VCV, PCV, SAMV-VC and SAMV-PC. We have pressure support ventilation. So for VCV, these are the settings. Just ensure these all the parameters and just click your start ventilation. So in this screen, you can able to view your waveforms as well as your settings parameters. And this is the audio pause button which can be used to silence your system for 120 seconds, and we have alarm setup here to adjust your lower limits and higher limits alarms. To stop the ventilation, you just click your standby mode and right click this button to switch off your ventilation. So this is the rear part of our workstation. This is the AC power input, and we have AC power inputs for patient monitors or else whatever we are using in the OT or in anesthesia workstations. So this can be used. And here is the central line connections for O2 and nitrous. This is the cylinder gases for O2 and nitrous, and we have AGSs for scavenging system which is an optional one.